Hey, how you doing, YouTuber? Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I will be showing you how to change a mass airflow sensor, and which I got a code which say that the mass airflow sensor is not working properly. So that's what I'm about to change. Basically, it's a small part. It's basic 2 screws and a harness connectors. All we're doing, and this is what it looks like. This is a mass airflow sensor, and the car is 2005 Nissan Xterra, and the part number for this is MA159, and this is for ignition and engine. So that's what we're doing. We're changing it because we have the code that the mass airflow sensor is not working properly. I want to show you the location of the mass airflow sensor, which is between the throttle body right here, the component of it, and the hose going to the air filter compartment, and it would be here. That's what it looked like right here, which consists of a wire harness and 2 screws, and that's where its location is, and would be a basic, easy to fix, as long as you know you have a problem with mass airflow sensor. Alright, here's the wire harness, and what you want to do is press this down and just pull. Make sure you're in a straight, not slanted or anything, but make sure of that. So basically you want to press it and then just pull out. Let's see. Hopefully I'm not blocking it. But all you do, here's the wire harness, and here is the airflow sensor. So what you want to take out is that there's 2 screws here. It's holding the sensors mounted. So that's what you're doing. Careful, you don't want to drop the screws. It's pain in the butt to find it in the car. There's one there. 2. And you're taking the screw with a Phillip head. Now all you just do is loose, just pull it out, but make sure you want to know the position of the sensor when you put the new one in. Make sure it's the same way. You can see there's a metal part on the top. That's what it looked like. And I'm going to just put the new one in here so you can see it. Here's the new one. On this one here, it does not have the metal part. That's okay though. But there's the position. This one's on the top because it's too for the wire harness to go hold onto the wire harness. So it's just inserted in. Important thing is there's 2 or 3 metal in here. Do not put any water or it will damage the thing. It's like I don't know, like a level or something. Okay, it's in there. So you just put it in. And what you do is just want to put the screw back on. That's all you need to do. Let's see, just go for it. Just screwing the 2 screw back in. And try not to force it because of not the harness, the sensor is a plastic. You don't want to break it or crack it. Just to hold it in place, and then you put the wire harness back, snap back on. That's all you need to do, and you're all set to go. Thank you guys for watching. That is how you change the mass airflow sensor. There's 2 screws with not flathead,
Phillip.
A Phillip, I guess. Also like a wire harness, basically. Thanks for watching. This was 2005 Nissan Xterra, and if you like us, subscribe, like, share with your friends.